A loss of $9,620. That's the trading result from our commodity and futures trading according to COT data in week number 31. Hello and welcome to Insider Week. In this video, I'm going to show to you the trades of this week and the corresponding results. Let's start with our first COT strategy. As you can see, we started into the week with a portfolio that consisted of an open position in cotton and an open position in natural gas. As you can see, until the end of the week, we closed our position in cotton and we are left with our one open position in natural gas where we are long 4 contracts. During the week, we closed the 12 long contracts in cotton, and during the week, we also made a trade in Japanese yen. Let's have a look at each trade individually. First of all, cotton. As you know, if you regularly watch our videos, we have cotton on our list for a while now. On the daily chart, you can see that our performance is quite mixed. The first time was not successful, then we had a successful trade, then it was break even, afterwards we were not successful, and now we are quite successful. We basically expected the Friday to be a correction. However, you can see that price ran away, but still we are happy to have realized a total gain of plus $7,560. Next trade, natural gas. In the last video I discussed the trade in natural gas to some extent, so let's move to the daily chart straight away. At first, after we were triggered, price moved against us. However, our stop loss was not triggered and price increased. Now we see accounting profits and we expect our target price to be reached. Next trade, Japanese yen. In Japanese yen, this time we made the highest loss. We traded this market against the weekly trend direction, and when doing so, you must expect many corrections. At the last time, we could realize a good profit amount before the correction happened. At the second time, we couldn't do that because there was no possibility to do so. We were stopped out with a loss of minus $9,112, and in the end, we expect price to further increase with some corrections, so this market stays interesting to us, but we will take profits quicker. Now let's have a look at our second strategy, the so-called champion strategy. In this strategy, in this week, we had probably the largest loss ever. As you remember, we started to trade this account in November 2020 with a starting capital of $50,000. As the account increased, it's logic that the position size increased as well. So in the end, this week we had a loss of minus $8,068. But we are in the win in sugar with $6,283. So probably this trade can outbalance our loss next week and maybe we will earn money in total. On our website insider-week.com you can observe the trades that we conducted. In the table of the champion strategy, you can see that the last 3 trades that were traded in the last week were losses. First of all, we were long in silver and a sell-off in the metal markets led to a loss of minus $2,085. In live cattle, we were also long and also not successful with a loss of minus $3,410. From the currencies, we chose to trade British pound, and also here we were not successful with a loss of minus $2,573. There are 3 loss trades in a row, but we diversified our portfolio, and as you have seen, sugar can balance out. But this accounting profit still needs to be realized, so we will see on the next Sunday whether our diversification strategy worked out. Do you diversify in your futures trading? Let us know in the comments. And take the chance to subscribe our channel to not miss out on videos that share with you proven and long-year experience about futures trading. In the end, let's have a look at CRB index as usual. As you can see, seasonal trend is falling, but price is stable. At the moment, we are on the long side of the market, and we will see whether CRB index will go up or go down in a while. But at the moment, we expect long trades to be more successful. That's it from our side this week. We wish you all many successful trades for the next week. Please like this video, subscribe our channel, and let us know in the comments section what your diversification strategy is. Thank you for your attention and see you again for our next trading results video at the next Sunday. And as always, be aware of the risk, because risk management is the key to success in trading.